Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my apartment tour. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you see when you walk in is my kitchen. So over here I've got my table and my curtains. My curtains I got from Walmart, and my table is also from Walmart. And I just have a table runner on it and some flowers. I think the flowers are actually from Dollar Tree. Actually, I think the table runner is from Dollar Tree also. And then as we walk over here, I've got some wall decor. There's a sign that says Coffee and Jesus, and that is from Hobby Lobby. I think most of my wall decor is actually from Hobby Lobby. And then I've got this little thing over here, and you can keep your mail in it. And there's also two little hooks that you can hang your keys, but I don't actually use it for the keys because I have a hook over here closer to my door. But then I've also got a picture on it, and there's a little cork board thing on it. And then if you go this way, there's another sign. If you can't tell, I really like coffee. And also, I really love Jesus. And then over here, because I am a huge coffee drinker, I decided to make my own little coffee bar, and I've got tons and tons of coffee mugs and coffee cups. Tons of K-cups because I'm a huge coffee drinker. And then there is another sign up here from Hobby Lobby. And then we come this way and there's more coffee cups and mugs. And I drink coffee every single day, and I have to have coffee to get through my day at work. So there's tons of travel mugs over here. And then here's my refrigerator, and I'm not going to show you what's inside there because it's a mess and that's pretty boring, but come this way and here's my stove. It's pretty basic, you know. I've got my cupboards and things over here. I was just doing my dishes. And I'm not going to show you what's inside my cupboards either because those are quite messy. But I've got my microwave. I've got a toaster over here. I've got my blender over here. And then over here I've got like this huge storage closet. And again, I'm not going to show you what's inside there because it's messy. But, so this is pretty much my kitchen. One thing that I don't really like about it is that it does have carpet, and when I'm cooking and stuff, I get pretty messy. As you can see, there's a couple of stains over here, but it's a nice size for an apartment. And then over this way, I've got a little bit of space over here, and I like to keep all of my shoes and things over here. And then I have a little board over here that I can write down when all of my like bills and things are due. So that's nice. And then if we swing over this way, it's my living room. So we'll come this way. And here is what my living room looks like. So I've got some nice couches, and my couches are from Ashley Furniture, and they are really quite comfortable. And they actually are the reclining ones. My pink blanket on there I got for Christmas, and I think that's from JCPenney. My two big large pink pillows, those are actually from Dollar General. They're really comfortable. And then my sequin pillows, those are actually from Kohl's. They were on sale. And those are really fun whenever I have friends that come over. They really like to just play with those and play games on them because they're the ones that you can actually like make pictures and stuff. You can go like this with them and draw. They're really fun to play with. So yeah, that's what's on my couch. And then I have my lamps up here. My lamps are from Walmart. And then I've got a sign that says she believed she could, so she did. That's also from Hobby Lobby. She created a life she loved. That is also from Hobby Lobby. And my Make Things Happen, of course, that's from Hobby Lobby. That's where I seem to get all my wall decor. And then over here I've got this little shelving unit. I believe that's from Walmart as well. And I've got some candles from Bath and Body Works on it. Got an angel. Just some little like pictures on it that my friends have given me. Got some pictures of my friends on it. Then coming this way, I've got my coffee table. That's also from Walmart. And I've got a candy dish on it. I've got some coffee, or There's some little coasters that my friends gave me for my birthday. I've got a cute little devotional book. Just some little like odds and ends on it. And then over here, I got this little blanket, little storage unit thing for my birthday from, can't remember, I think I got it at TJ Maxx, and I have tons and tons of blankets, so that was perfect. And my friends love it when they come over because they know I have like the coziest blankets, and I think most of my blankets are from either Kohl's or TJ Maxx, and they have them for usually between like $15 and $20. And then over here I have my love seat, and again that's from Ashley Furniture. And then my pillows I think are from Walmart. Not really sure, I think my mom got them for me. And then over here, if you look outside, there is a winter storm going on right now. You see we're getting tons and tons of snow. Take a look out the window. Do you hear the wind? Yeah, it's been coming down for quite a while now, and it's supposed to keep snowing for pretty much all day and into the evening. But anyways, my curtains are also from Walmart. It's like a really light blue color. You can't really see, but yeah, so those are from Walmart. And then we'll swing back around this way, and there's another piece of art on the wall that is also from Hobby Lobby. It says love never fails. And then coming back around, then I obviously got my TV. There's some more signs, more wall decor. Again, those are from Hobby Lobby. Then I've got my TV. And then my TV stand, I think that's from Walmart. And then another chair. And the chair, actually my grandma gave it to me. So she's had it for a really long time. Not really sure where it's from. And then down here I've got some pictures. The group picture, that is from my youth group that I help with, that I volunteer with. And then there's a little sign that says, be somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody. And then over here I just have my school bag. I'm going back to school, so I've got all my school books in there. Okay, and then we come into my hallway, and there is a big like storage closet area over here, and the top shelf is just full of like random stuff. There's like a bunch of bath bombs up there. I used to work at Bath and Body Works at one point, so I've got tons of stuff. There's like tons of hand soaps, and some of this stuff I've actually been given as like gifts and stuff over the years, but a lot of it I've also like stocked up on. And then down here I just have like my towels and washcloths and that kind of stuff. And then over here it's just a bunch of like random like hair products and random candles and that kind of stuff. And then down here it's just like extra stuff that's not really, I don't need to show you that stuff. And then I've got some signs up here. This one's one of my favorite ones. Pretty much describes me. It says, literally running on caffeine and dry shampoo. That is literally my life. And then I've got a donut sign. And then there's a little dancer ballerina. I used to dance when I was little, so that is very fitting for me. And then over here, this is my bedroom. So this is kind of what you see when you walk in. So there's my bed. The headboard is also from Ashley Furniture. I get a lot of my furniture from there. My bedspread is from, I think, Kohl's. I've had that for about 3 years. My pillow that says hello, I think that is from Hobby Lobby. No surprise there. I'll step this way, and there is a chest that my grandma got me. She's actually had this for years, and then she just gifted it and gave it back to me. And then over here I have my dresser, which is also from Ashley Furniture. It's a really nice size too. So there's keep like my sweaters and t-shirts and that kind of stuff in there. And then over here I've got my deodorant, of course. Put that on every morning. I've got some really cute pictures. That's a picture of my friend Sharissa. She passed away several years ago in a car accident, so I keep that picture in my room. And then I've got just some other stuff. Got some pictures. Another sign. Be the light. And then I've got some more wall art. Today I will choose joy. Of course, those signs came from Hobby Lobby. And then if we come this way, I kind of created a gallery wall. There's a picture of my brother. My brother passed away also, so I keep that in my room. Don't look back. You're not going that way. Of course, these signs came from Hobby Lobby, of course. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. There's a letter C, and that also lights up. And then I had some of these pictures printed off, and I just made them into frames. If it's still on your mind, it's still in your heart. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. And then over here, I've got my nightstand. My friend actually made me this cute sign that says, "Spirit lead me where my trust is without borders," and that was one of my favorite songs. I've got my lamp, and then I have a picture of my grandparents. My grandpa passed away a few years ago, so I keep that picture. And then I've got another little cute little sign from Hobby Lobby, of course. And then I've got a Polaroid picture of my grandma and I at Christmas, I think 2 or 3 years ago. So I keep that on my bedstand. And then I just keep like my electronic cords and stuff down in the bottom of that. And then over here I've got some more signs. Be still and know. And then another one of my favorite songs is Reckless Love. So I've got actually a girl that I work with at the preschool. She's really big into calligraphy, so she made that sign for me. And then if we come this way, I've got another sign from Hobby Lobby, and it's Amazing Grace. And then got another lamp. I think the lamp is also from Hobby Lobby. And then I've got a picture of my grandma on my nightstand. And then a picture of a couple of the girls that are in my youth group that I help out with. I think we were at church camp a few years ago. And then I've got my journal that I just got for Christmas, my Bible, and then my glasses case, and another notebook. And then this dresser, my mom actually gave this one to me, so I've had this one since I was a child. So I have no idea where that one's from. But yeah, so this is my bedroom. And then if we swing back around this way, I've also got a really big walk-in closet. But I won't show you that because it's pretty unorganized right now. But yeah, so that's my bedroom. And this is my bathroom. It's pretty standard. I keep, obviously, like all my bath stuff in it. Keep my makeup over here. I've got a mirror. There's some wall art that's on the wall. This was actually previously stuff that was decorated in my bathroom when I moved in, so I just didn't change it. There's a shower curtain, you know, the standard stuff. One thing that I don't like about my bathroom is that there is carpet in here, but my landlord did say that they would be able to change it out for me and put like some wood floor in for me, so I think this summer they're going to do that for me. So yeah, that's my bathroom. Guys, so this is the last room in my apartment, and this is my spare bedroom. I also call this like my office or my prayer room, and I'll show you why in just a second. But so if we come this way, over here I am also a teacher, so I had extra crayons and I made this wreath out of crayons. Down here I have a fake fireplace. It's a heater. And then I have a really big closet that is full of extra clothes and all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to show you because it's really messy in here. And then if we come this way, I have a bookshelf that I had at my mom's house, and then when I moved out, I took it with me, and it's just got just a bunch of random stuff on it. It's got some pictures of the kids that are in my youth group that I help out with, and this is some of the pictures from church camp a couple years ago. This one over here is from our shaving cream fight that we had at camp, which is always really fun. This one's another one from camp. Back here is my co-teacher. She got this for me for Christmas this past year. It says, "Be still and know that I am God." My friend got this for me for my birthday. "The Lord stood with me and gave me strength." And then this one, this sign up here, or this picture, actually, it's not a sign, but this picture, one of the ladies that volunteers with our children's ministry at church got this for me about 3 years ago when I moved out into my own place. When she found out that I was moving out, she saw this somewhere and was like, oh my goodness, this would go great in your apartment. So she thought of me and was like, I have to get this for you. And then I just have a bunch of random stuff down here. When you're a teacher, you just kind of throw stuff all over. And then I've got stuff for children's ministry down here, just kind of, it's not really neatly organized, but for right now it kind of works. And then I've got my printer and a filing cabinet. I think the filing cabinet is just from Walmart, and I just keep like my bills and that kind of stuff in it. And then this sign was hanging up on my wall, but it fell down. But years ago I painted, I made it, and it says Psalm 139 on it. And then over here I just have my desk. It's kind of messy, but I try and keep it as organized as I can. It is from Walmart. And then the chair, actually my grandma gave it to me. So she'd had it for a really long time and just decided to give it to me. And then over here I've got a bulletin board, and I just put all kinds of pictures on it from the last couple of years. Pictures with a lot of my friends and people from church and girls that I work with. And then over here, this picture, one of my great aunts actually made it for me, but she's since passed away. But when I graduated in 2007, she'd actually been working on this since I was little. And then in 2007, when I graduated, this was one of my graduation gifts from her. So that was really cool. And then if you take a look out this window, we are actually in the middle of a snowstorm. It's still snowing outside pretty bad. And then over here I just have a, this was a dresser, and it's just got a bunch of random stuff on it. It's not really organized. It was organized at one point, but it's pretty messy right now. And then over here, so the reason why I call this my prayer room is because I don't really use it a whole lot during the winter time. I'm trying to get better at it, but it's really cold in this room in the winter time just because I don't turn the heat on. But usually in the summertime, in the springtime, I'll come in here and I'll sit in this chair and I'll just kind of turn on some worship music, and I'll sit in this chair and I'll use this time to pray. And so this chair and this footstool is from Walmart. And this picture that's actually sitting here is from, I think, Hobby Lobby, and my co-teacher got it for me for Christmas. She knows me so well. It says, "He will cover you with his feathers, and under his wings you will find refuge." Psalm 91:4. Eventually this will be hanging up, but for now it's just sitting there. And then over here I have lights. So this wall over here has lights, and then it also has clips on it, so I decided to hang pictures on it. And this whole entire wall is just full of pictures from the last couple of years. And then down here I've also got some of my photography stuff, so I'm trying to get back into photography this year. At least that's one of my goals. And then I've also got some children's ministry stuff to go through. One of my friends is also a children's ministry director at her church, so she's given me some of her old curriculum to go through. Just haven't gotten around to that yet. But then on the back of my door over here, I have so much stuff for teaching that I decided to get a shoe rack. And I put it on the back of my door. And so each of these slots has different teaching stuff, just because I can't keep all of this in my classroom, or it's just stuff that I don't use right now. And I didn't want to throw it away, so I just decided that this would be a good idea for now. And I just keep a lot of stuff here. So yeah, so this is my room tour. Hope you enjoyed.